Hello everyone, a wonderful morning to all of you. Today we will learn steel sections. So what is steel section? Steel sections are bread and butter of steel fabrication. Designers, architects, engineers choose different sections for their aesthetics and structural qualities. Then their choices determined by size, weight, and their profile. Steel is extremely versatile and it can be molded to many different shapes. Okay, steel sections. See this slide. Steel is rolled to a required shape during fabrication. Commonly available steel sections. So first section is I section, T section, channel section, angle section, steel bars, tubes, plates, sheets and strips. This is the symbol of these sections. So common steel member, this is the 3D diagram. This is the T bar. First is the T bar. Second, L angle sections. Third, HSS section means HSS means hollow structural sections. Wide flange, wide flange section, then I beam sections, then channel sections. Okay, these are the diagrams of steel members. So first of all we will see rolled steel I section. So these are the symbols and their long forms. First is the ISJB. ISJB means Indian Standard Junior Beam. So ISLB second, ISLB Indian Standard Light Beam. Third, ISMB. ISMB it is represented by Indian Standard Medium Beam. ISWB Indian Standard Wide Flange Beam. ISHB Indian Standard Heavy Beam. Okay, so these are the rolled steel I sections. For example, rolled steel I section. For example, ISMB 500 and 0.852 kilonewton per meter. So how to read for this example? ISMB means Indian Standard Medium Beam. So this is the ISMB 500 depth and 0.852 kilonewton per meter is the weight per unit length. 500 indicated by depth, 0.852 kilonewton per meter means weight per unit length. So how to read? This is ISMB having 500 mm deep and the weight of ISMB 500 is 0.852 kilonewton per meter. Okay, so this is the 3D diagram of section and connections of column beam construction. Rolled steel channel section, ISLC, ISMC, ISLC, ISSC Indian Standard Special Sections. Okay, for example, ISMC Indian Standard Medium Channel Section having 300 mm deep and its weight of ISMC 300 is 0.351 kilonewton per meter. This is the channel section having depth 300 mm. So first upper part is known as flange, then middle part is known as web and lower part of channel section is known as fillet. Okay, this is the diagram of channel sections and their connections. So rolled steel angle section, Indian standard of equal angle means ISA 150 by 150 by 12 and ISA unequal angle having ISA 150 by 115 by 12. Okay, so 150 by 150 by 12 is the thickness. So this is the diagram of angle sections and which are used in electric towers. Rolled T sections. So rolled T sections, there are 4 sections: ISNT, ISHT, ISLT, ISLT. Okay, so ISLT special leg or ISLT is the light beam. So ISNT Indian standard normal beam, second Indian standard heavy beam, third Indian standard special leg beam, and fourth Indian standard light beam. Okay, this is the rolled T section. So upper part is known as flange and their angle is known as fillet and lower part is the web. Okay, other sections, steel bars. There are 2 type of steel bars. First is the ISRO. ISRO means rolled steel bars or rolled or round bars. ISSQ means square bars, and this square bars, it is followed by side width of bar section. It is followed by side width of bar section. And steel tubes, steel plates. So next point is the rolled structural shapes. Rolled structural shapes, these are the rolled structural shapes. First, A diagram. Cross sections of the some more commonly used hot roll shapes are shown in above figure, and it is described as follows. The first A diagram shows that rolled steel I section. B diagram shows that rolled steel channel section having web and flange. Then C diagram shows that rolled steel T sections. D diagram shows that rolled steel angle sections for different angles having legs and bulbs. E diagram shows that rolled steel tube sections. F diagram shows that rolled steel bars, and G diagram shows that rolled steel flats. Okay, so these are the hot roll shapes. For I section and channel section, for I sections and channel section, how to read the sections. So first of all, we will see how to read for I section and channel section examples. An I section is designed by its depth and weight. For example, ISLB 500 at the rate 735.8 Newton per meter. It means the I section is 500 mm deep and the self weight is 735.8 Newton per meter length. So second, a channel section is designed by, suppose a channel section is designed by its depth and weight. For instance, ISLC is the channel section 350 at the rate 380.6 Newton per meter. It means that the channel section is 350 mm deep and the self weight is 380.6 Newton per meter length. Then for T sections and angle sections, a T section is designed by its depth and weight. For example, ISNT means Indian Standard Normal T-beam section 150 at the rate 223.7 Newton per meter means the T section is 150 mm deep and the self weight is 2 to 3.7 Newton per meter length. An angle section, suppose an angle section is designed by its leg length and thickness. For example, Indian standard of angle section 40 by 20 by 6 mm means the section is an unequal angle because leg and length having different. So with legs 40 mm and length is 25 mm and thickness of leg is 6 mm. Okay, so how to read the examples of steel tube and steel plates. First of all, we will see steel tubes. Steel tubes are designed by their outside diameter and self-weight. Rolled steel bars may be circular or square and are designed by diameter or side respectively. For example, ISSQ. ISSQ, it is followed by side width of bar section. So 10 mm means a square bar of 10 mm side, and ISRO it indicated by rolled steel bar. So 10 mm means a round bar of 10 mm diameter. Steel flats are designed by width and thickness of the sections. For example, 30 ISF 10 mm means the flat is 30 mm wide and 10 mm thick. Steel plates are designed by length, width and thickness. For example, ISPL 2000 mm by 1000 mm by 8 mm. It means the plate is 2000 mm long, 1000 mm wide and 8 mm thick. Okay, so these are the steel tubes and steel plates example. So next point is built up sections. So built up section in this figure shows that I section with cover plates, welded plate, girder, double angle sections and double channel section. These are the diagrams of built up section. When load is very heavy or strength of single section is not sufficient, then to carry the load, that time we have to go for the built up section. Okay, when load is very heavy or strength of single section is not sufficient, then to carry the load, that time we have to go for built up section. It consists of more than one section. Mainly built up section is used railway bridges or stadiums. Okay, in most cases one of the standard shape described above will satisfy the design requirement. If the requirements are especially severe, then a built-up section may be needed. Such a situation arises when none of the standard rolled shapes are large enough. That is, the cross section does not have enough area or moment of inertia. Thank you.